Next topic is nuclear reactor. Controlled fission chain reaction is the basic principle of nuclear reactor. During the fission of uranium 235, a large amount of energy is released. If the chain reaction is put under control, after some time, a steady state is established and the rate of energy production attains a constant level. Such a device in which energy is released at a given rate is known as a nuclear reactor. Figure shows the main elements of a nuclear power reactor. A nuclear reactor consists of 5 main elements. 1. The fissionable material called fuel. 2. Moderator. 3. Neutron reflector. 4. Cooling system. 5. The safety and control system. First element of nuclear reactor is fuel. The fissile material used in the reactor is called fuel. Commonly used fuels are uranium isotopes, uranium 233, uranium 235, uranium 238, thorium 232 and plutonium 239. Plutonium is a much better fuel in comparison to uranium and thorium because the fission chain reaction can be produced in plutonium both by fast and slow neutrons. Plutonium 239 can be obtained from uranium 238 through the absorption of neutrons according to the decay scheme given in this slide. Uranium 238 captures one neutron to form uranium 239. It undergoes beta decay to form neptunium 239. It again decays by emitting beta particle and gamma rays to form plutonium 239. The central region of nuclear reactor where the fission reaction takes place is known as reactor core. Next element is moderator. Fast neutrons produced in fission are slowed down to thermal energies by the use of materials called moderators. Most commonly used moderators are graphite, heavy water, light water, beryllium, beryllium oxide and some organic liquids like polyphenols. These are materials having low atomic weight, low absorption cross-section for neutrons and large scattering cross-section. The neutrons may lose significant amount of energy on colliding with the moderator nuclei till they come to thermal equilibrium with the material. Neutron reflector. In order to check the escape of neutrons from the core, a region of non-fissionable material is put next to the core. Such a material is known as reflector. These are materials of high scattering cross-section and low absorption cross-section. In thermal reactors, a moderating material is mostly used as a reflector. In fast reactors, nickel and copper are used as reflectors. Cooling system. The cooling system removes the heat evolved in the reactor core. The coolant is pumped through the reactor core and transfers heat to the secondary thermal system of the reactor. A reactor coolant should have low neutron absorption cross-section, high thermal capacity, good thermal and radiation stability and should not react chemically with materials with which they come in contact in the reactor. In thermal reactors, ordinary water, steam, heavy water, carbon dioxide, dry air, nitrogen, helium are frequently used as coolants. In fast reactors, liquid sodium or liquid helium is generally used as coolants. Next is control and safety systems. In order to control the chain reaction and to maintain the multiplication factor so as to ensure the safe operation of a reactor, control rods are used. Control rods are mostly made of materials such as cadmium, boron, hafnium, gadolinium. These materials have a large neutron absorption cross section. Most of the nuclear reactors are sources of neutrons and gamma rays. To protect the personnel and scientists working around the reactor vessel is surrounded by a radiation shield. It is generally thick concrete and lead wall capable of absorbing both neutrons and gamma radiations. Nuclear power reactor. The heat generated in a nuclear reactor is useful for producing power in a nuclear power plant. A quantity of enriched uranium in the form of pure metal or solution of a soluble salt in water constitutes the center of heat energy source. Working of a nuclear power plant. A large quantity of heat is produced during the fission process in the nuclear reactor. The cadmium rods regulate the temperature to a predetermined value. A fluid is circulated through the shielded reactor and the heat exchanger. The hot fluid, while flowing through the heat exchanger, converts water into steam. The steam produced runs conventional turbines to produce electricity. View the animation to understand the working of a nuclear power plant. Breeder reactor. If a thermal reactor is surrounded by a blanket of fertile material uranium-238, uranium-238 can be converted into fissile fuel. Reactors of this type are called fuel-producing reactors. In the first reaction, uranium-238 is converted to fissionable plutonium-239. Uranium-238 captures neutron to form uranium-239. This is followed by beta emission to form neptunium-239. Neptunium-239 is also radioactive. It emits a beta particle to form plutonium-239. In the second reaction, thorium-232 captures neutron to form thorium-233. It emits beta particle to form palladium-233. Palladium-233 again emits beta particle to form uranium-233. Thus, non-fissionable thorium-232 is converted to fissile uranium-233. This process of producing one type of fissionable material from a non-fissionable material is called breeding, and the reactors as breeder reactors. Uses of nuclear reactors. 1. Nuclear power reactor. Nuclear reactors are used in the production of electric energy. Reactors installed to produce power are called power reactors. These are both thermal and fast reactors. Mainly, there are 7 power reactors in operation in India. They are Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant, Tamil Nadu; Tarapur Nuclear Reactor, Maharashtra; Rajasthan Atomic Power Plant, Rajasthan; Kaiga Atomic Power Plant, Karnataka; Kalpakam Nuclear Power Plant, Tamil Nadu; Narora Nuclear Power Plant, Uttar Pradesh; Kakrapar Atomic Power Plant, Gujarat. Production of radioisotopes. Nuclear reactors are useful in producing a large number of radioisotopes. To produce radioisotope, a suitable compound is drawn into the center of the reaction core, where the flux of neutrons may be more than 10 raised to 16 per meter square per second. Sodium-24 is manufactured from sodium-23 by colliding with the neutrons. Sodium-23 captures neutrons to form sodium-24. Third application of nuclear reactor is in scientific research. Reactors produce a number of radioactive materials needed for research purposes. Reactors may also be used to study radiation damage and the effect of neutrons on biological tissue. Thank you.